Hi, I'm Jeff Cote with Pacific Yacht Systems. Pacific Yacht Systems is really proud to be an authorized service center for Xantrex. And what that means is here at our shop in our facility, a bunch of us are actually trained, factory trained, to actually service and repair Xantrex inverter chargers. Here are a bunch of examples that we've got on the bench where owners have inverter chargers that are actually on their boat working and stop working, but they are not willing to buy outright a new inverter, or that inverter charger, the way it's laid out, would be really hard for them to actually just replace the inverter altogether. And they'd like to have maybe an alternative where here at Pacific Yacht Systems, we can repair that inverter. We've got board level repairs on all these units. And that's really great for a boat owner because sometimes the timing isn't right to buy a new inverter for your boat, and you'd like to be able to repair the unit you have and maybe delay that larger purchase for later. So as an authorized service center, not only are we able to repair these devices, but we also have good connections, deep connections with Xantrex that allow us to able to resolve and troubleshoot inverter charger troubles much faster than if we didn't have those connections. So it's been a great partnership for us, both of us. And if you have an inverter charger on your boat that looks like this, that is giving you grief, give us a call, reach out to us, and potentially we'll be able to repair it and make the unit last longer. Thanks for watching.